Hi, Pat here. I have an Aiwa stereo receiver, model 7300. This thing was made late 70s, maybe early 80s. And what I could find on it's rated about 25 watts per channel. I've got it hooked up to my scope right now. And see, when you power on, see the lines jump around. Same with turning it off, lines jump around. So I got it back on and cranked the volume up all the way. That's volume up all the way. I got a little over 13 volts in my output. Output about 22, 23 watts per channel. So I'm gonna do a little recap on this and check out a few other things and see if I can improve it a little bit. Here's the inside of the stereo. Should be pretty easy to work on. Not much see in the bottom side. And the output right there, IC output, it's a Shanken, pretty good output. So I'm going to start pulling these caps off, start changing the caps. Here's the old filter caps, 6800 microfarads, 35 volts. And the new ones are quite a bit smaller. I still went with 6800 and 35 volts. I found a bracket I could fit them in. I had to drill a couple holes down here. I'll get the mount right there. I got all the new caps installed. I got the big filter caps in there. Got my dummy loads hooked up. A couple AC voltmeters. Read the output of the amp there. Oh, my function generator is 150 millivolts at 1K. And I got my scope here. When I turn it on, my lines still jump around a little bit. Let's back off. Back on. Well, this thing doesn't have a speaker relay. Could have a lot to do with that. So turn the volume all the way up here. And it's all the way up. Nice clean sine wave. And I'm at about 13.5 volts. I'll put about 22.5 watts per channel. I have a square wave going through here right now at 1000 hertz. And it's looking good. And here's what the bass turned all the way up. Bass down. That's treble all the way up. Treble all the way down. And the loudness on. And the loudness off. About what I would expect. I got some speakers hooked up to it. I got a cassette deck over there. And a turntable over there. Let's turn it on. I got tape going right now. I'll switch over to the turntable. Let's try a little FM.
220-6200. 888.
I get very bad reception up here. Try a little AM.
On license number 127-000-143.
Hello, I'm Mike Lindell.
So everything's working well on this. Thanks for watching the video.